Welcome back to another Perfection Group training video. I'm Rob Garber. Today we will be discussing the proper preparation for PVC and pressure applications. The first step for proper PVC pressure pipe installation is to ensure that it is properly laid out and follows the guidelines from the manufacturer. Schedule 40 and 80 PVC have a pressure rating based on size and temperature of the application. At 73 degrees Fahrenheit, a 3/4 inch PVC pipe has a pressure rating of approximately 480 pounds. But if you raise the operating temperature to 140 degrees, the pipe is then derated to only 100 psi. This was calculated using Charlotte's derating factor in their application guide. The first step is to measure your pipe to the proper length. After that, make sure you cut the pipe squarely. That ensures that it will fit properly inside of your fitting cup. Next, bevel the edges of your PVC pipe to approximately a 45-degree angle. That will allow the pipe to go into the fitting smoothly and will allow the glue to actually slide down the pipe and not just fill up inside of your cup. Next, lightly sand the pipe and the inside of your fitting. That will help take the clear finish off the pipe. It'll rough it up a little bit in preparation for proper curing. Next, measure the makeup of your fitting. That is the depth at which the end of your cup stops. Mark it on your pipe. That way you can ensure that it's properly seated and you don't have any spot for turbulence in your fluid flow. It is recommended for over 2 inch and above that you start to bevel. Next, you clean the pipe using the proper cleaner and primer. And now anything bigger than 2.5 inches, it's better to use the 1 gallon daubers, which are much larger. It allows you to give a much smoother primer and gluing for proper sealing. So now we'll let that dry for a minute. And next, on pressure piping, it's recommended that you use the gray glue. It's a heavy duty glue. A lot better for pressure pipe applications. So that is now dry. The next thing we've done is we've marked on each part of the pipe so that we can know that we're seated, and we've done our quarter twist per the application guide. Again, gray glue, very, very good stuff. I'm not very good at gluing because I'm not a pipe fitter. So you'll see my markups. So we'll push this fully into the cup and we'll give it a quarter turn. Now you can see that I didn't get it quite a quarter of a turn and it's starting to harden up. The twisting action is what helps the glue seat around. And then you'll see that my markup line is fully in. If you look inside, it's fully seated. The last step is to clean up the excess glue. I made a huge mess. And then after it's fully seated, you make sure you hold it and you'll see that it's firm now. All of the information for prep time, curing time, and how long to wait before you can actually pressure test is on your manufacturer's recommended on your can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.